This is room 2218 at the New York Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is a Soho Premier 2-queen room in the Century Tower using the Century elevators. When you come in, you have some coat hooks over here and a mirror, 2 mirrors actually. And over on this side, you have 2 queen beds. They do seem a little small for queen, but supposed to be queen. And you have a little wardrobe desk thing here, I don't know what you want to call it, with a mirror. You have an ice bucket. In here you have a refrigerator. There's no mini bar. This is an empty refrigerator. You can put your own stuff in there. Then you have drawers, and you have a hair dryer here. Another drawer you can use. Over on this side you have a dresser type unit with a mirror on the side. You have a hanging area, and you have an ironing board and iron. Then you have shelves, 2 drawers, safe. You have a shelf over here, and then you can hang more stuff up over on this. And on this side of the room, you see this is like a corner room. You have windows on both sides, and you have a dresser, a console with the TV on it, pretty big TV. And then you have 4 drawers here. These are all empty, so you can put stuff in here. And then over here, you have a little table and chair. You also have a chair randomly over here next to the TV. This is what the room looks like from the windows. You do have this big support column in the room, but I mean, the room's big enough, it doesn't really bother you. And then these are the 2 front windows that you have. You have a view down the south of the strip, and you can see Mandalay Bay, Excalibur, the airport, MGM Grand. You have a really good view of the roller coaster here. Over on the side windows, you see down, not really north strip because you're back a little, but you can see to the northeast. Now for the bathroom. The bathroom's a little small, and I don't know how much they renovate the bathroom. But you have a counter here with 1 sink, tissues, toilet paper. Toiletries look to be just MGM brand, hand wash body lotion, basic towels. You have your toilet. Then you have your shower tub combo. Like I said, it doesn't look like they renovated this part of the bathroom at least. I don't know if they might just put some wallpaper on the walls, but left the rest as is. Bathtub, shower, you have body wash and shampoo. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe.